Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to clean a seashell. Now this horse conch here, I bleached it for 24 hours, and it didn't help to get all these barnacles and white things it's on this shell here. And I've soaked it in water for 24 hours. So I can clean it with a dental pick, and I wanted to quickly show you how easy this is. Oh, here we go. That's not bad at all. All right, I just spent a few minutes to remove all that white beach stuff it was on this little horse conch. So that's how you do it. Well, thank you for watching my channel, Seashore Adventures. Please like and subscribe. It'll help me to make more of these videos for you to watch. Until that time, happy shelling.